A Wyndham and Ramada combo. That's not something you see every day. Let's go and check this place out. Not every day you see AstroTurf on the outside of a hotel.
Well, here we are at the Wyndham.
At the DFW airport.
Yeah.
The glam vader here. Look at this.
Yeah.
We're all shiny. I don't think I've ever seen a floor like this in an elevator. This feels like it should be in a nightclub or something.
Yeah. Not gonna say I'm a fan, but
I didn't even notice they have innovation buttons on that side.
I noticed that. I see some Dover blue, so I think these are probably Dover, if I had to guess.
This is such a weird mod, though.
Yeah, kind of not a very good mod. What the hell were they doing?
That floor is just making my day.
Yeah.
I'm not even sure if these are on the same controller. Let's see.
Yeah.
Did that reopen? I was curious.
I bet you there's probably another bank on the other side of the Holiday Inn.
Yeah, almost certainly. Well, this is a dual branded Ramada Wyndham. I think we're on the Wyndham side now. Nice motor.
Yeah.
I'll let Dan be the first one into the glam vader this time. It's kind of a fitting name too, because
Disease here.
I like the mirror you get in the back. It's a little bit warped.
Oh, and they even put a trash can for us. How nice.
Yeah, the other one had that too. Oh, this one has two panels that are the same.
Interesting. I'll bet you this elevator got a full under the hood replacement.
I'm actually gonna pop off up here and take a peek around.
Okay.
So this side doesn't get balconies, but the other two sides do. It's actually pretty funny. You can just get a room here that opens right into the bottom of the atrium. This place has a lot of character to it. What goes back? can see this is what the hallways on the Ramada wing look like. Also, I've been waiting here for like a few minutes. Yeah. That thing is literally stopping on every floor in both directions, so I think that's the best we're gonna do there. Like, I had a lady on 3 that was there waiting for it, and I had to be like, yep, they're going up, so it was gonna go right back down and stop on every floor again. This side definitely needs more elevators. One here at the end, I'm gonna ride down. I'm getting some funny looks from the staff here, so I think I might go ahead and call that a visit. But this is a cool place. Old Holidome.